Hello everybody, today I'm building Legos with my Deadpool. And I've already built some of it, it's just all this. And we're still on pack 1, but pack 4 has all these treads, which I think is really cool, but also funny. So, let's see. So, it's gonna look like that at the end, but there's also another thing on the bottom side, which I'll grab the box to show you. Yeah, so we have this and that. Those are the two that are on it, so we're just gonna build. And so yeah. And let's see. Where do these go? Where do these two pieces go? Let's figure out together. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, this is like this. Oh, it's supposed to be upside down. So, I'm trying to find where this, so it goes here. And it goes there. And that will go across, most likely. Yeah. So, seconds. Just put that through. Can you do that on the other side, Dad? Mm-hmm. Thanks. Put it in.
There it is.
Okay.
No, it is a little. There it goes.
So now, this page. Okay. Now just this twice. And this twice. And now where do we put them? Flip back over. Here. I'll let you put those on.
I can't tell where it goes.
Goes like there and there. So just put yours like across from mine.
Where's the other one going?
Right there.
Right here? Okay. Okay.
And now, wait, let's go back. Okay, look. We have to put them through all this. And then we can plug it in.
What's it plug into?
Plugs it into this big battery box.
Why
Plugs
not?
into A. We'll go into A.
It's too short. Mine must go further up to the front here. It's gotta go further up here.
Yeah, mine is like further.
It's gotta be like here, otherwise it won't reach.
Mine reaches. And then just flip it over if it won't go in. There we go.
That has to be there, I guess. It looks right because there's a black one it's in front of, so I think
That's
right.
probably for yours,
Yeah.
but not for mine. So, because mine, look, if we see here, this is your engine, or this is yours, I think, and this is mine. I'm not sure, or there's flipped. I think they're flipped.
This is a beautiful new desk.
True.
Not sponsored, but it's made by IKEA. I wish they would sponsor the desk for some reason. It's very beautiful.
Maybe if we got one for all of our rooms in the house, then maybe they would sponsor us. That's just the thing. They might sponsor us. And that goes up to there, so wrong way, didn't I? In fact, I did put that up. There you go. Now we put that back on. Just push those up. These up and push these in. There we go. There we go. Now we have that on. To the next page. So, need 2 more of these.
This is how we typically build Legos with MY Deadpool and Broham Lego. MY Deadpool just gets the pieces and Broham Lego does all the work.
Not usually. Usually, sometimes I actually build. I don't usually build Legos in here, all of them. Sometimes, but I haven't really ever, aside from once.
He's also wearing his Jake.
Not really.
This is what it feels like hoodie. He went to the concert here in Dallas. It was awesome.
Yeah.
Jake is super tall, for those of you who don't know. He's like 6'5" or 6'6".
Oh, I can see the front. I can see the front. Take these. Show them. I don't know.
This is also not sponsored by Pokemon either. It's just the wonderful desk mat we had. Yeah, it says Pokemon trading card game. I didn't want to think we were sponsored by Pokemon either.
We have no sponsors, though.
Okay, good. We have no sponsors.
I just said that, though.
We'll let Bro sponsor us one day.
What'd you say?
Lego, if you want to sponsor us, we're available. Have your people call our people.
It's only a one man. It's only like a one-man team. Pretty much only me and you. A two-man team, I guess.
There, you do all the heavy lifting. I like that our heads are cut off in the video.
Nah,
We're like not
it's
even.
fine.
We're not even people. There he is. His glasses are Oakley's. He's also not sponsored by Oakley.
I said there's no sponsors already.
Oakley, we would take a sponsorship.
We don't need a sponsorship from them.
Oh.
It's only glasses.
I know, but I have sunglasses from them that are awesome.
So, what all have you bought from Oakley?
Mainly sunglasses.
How many do you think?
Oh, probably like 5 pairs in my life.
5?
I would guess.
You would guess?
I've never kept track of how many Oakleys I bought, but I would guess 5.
I've bought 5 billion Oakleys. No, imagine you just bought like 5 billion Oakleys.
Yeah.
That'd just be funny. But if you did, they probably would sponsor your channel. Maybe.
It'd be hard for them to sponsor us when they're not even in the picture.
What if you just bought like 5 billion sunglasses from them? They would probably do that.
We also are using our GoPro. I think it's the Hero 7. Maybe 8. Probably 7 though with the media mod. And it's got the little screen so we can have an idea of what you guys are looking at. Also not sponsored by GoPro, but hey. If you guys are out there, we're available.
No, you're not.
These are the kind of high action shots GoPros are known for. On a stationary tripod, on a desk, inside.
I see a squirrel! I see a squirrel.
So do I.
It's climbing on our fence.
Yeah.
Oh, this is just funny.
Mark Grober can come make us a course for him. Mark, we're also accepting sponsorships if you're interested.
Sorry, I just had to fall.
He died
Partly.
from too many sponsors.
Phew. Oh.
I'm gonna say it. That was a gel blaster by X-Shot. X-Shot will also take a sponsorship. We are fully open to be sponsored.
Okay, good. I have it on single shot right now.
They can't see it.
I know, but isn't that crazy? I just
Yeah.
cheated the system. I just cheated single shot.
Let's keep building.
Okay. Sorry, I just got distracted by that squirrel. Oh, it's still up there. I wish we could just have another one just recording that squirrel.
That'd be funny.
Yeah, it would. Hi, Mr. Squirrel. I slowly fall.
You guys are in luck. We have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least 5 more Lego sets to build that I can see. Maybe 6.
Well, oh wait. So, actually, during Christmas, I got a really big Lego set. This McLaren.
Wow.
And you remember you said you wanted to steal it before and you said
Yeah.
it was yours.
McLaren will also accept a sponsorship. We'll take a...
What are you gonna say next? Bugatti? Because I have a Bugatti
Yeah.
Lego set.
Bugatti. We have a Bugatti Lego set. Bugatti will also take a sponsorship.
Yeah!
We're full of abilities to be sponsored. Can you imagine this kind of energy being brought to your brain?
You build for events.
Oh, I don't know how to build. I've never done this.
I feel like you do now.
Oh no, I can't even see. Sorry guys, it's hard for me to see. There's like a, I don't know the word I want to use. There's like a reflection.
A reflection.
Where
So I
does
just
it
have
go?
to scream right in my pillow.
I don't understand where it goes.
I don't understand. Okay.
Where's the blue one you push in?
Ah.
Oh, it pushes into that?
No.
This is why Dad doesn't build a lot of the Legos.
No, I just need to push that up. Ultimate pushing in hands.
It's amazing your dad can build a house, but he can't build a Lego.
They're like, bro, Legos are easier to build than houses.
I guess not.
For somebody who literally builds houses. Oh, and guys, this one time, my elf, not at this house, but at my mom's, it was in like the thing where we had our board games and Nerf guns. And this is the funny part. He was just in there with a toilet paper with words on it, and it said, "I've been trying to reach you about your car's extended warranty." It's just hilarious, isn't it?
Yeah.
You I was like, I don't even have a car.
I'm not sure we would accept Extended Car Warranty Company as a sponsor.
What if we took Santa? Or no, what if we took, what if Santa's and elves did?
Do you think the sleigh has a warranty? Does he like go back to the elves and yell at them if the sleigh doesn't work and be like, "It's under warranty, you gotta fix it"?
No, imagine the elves just give him warranty and they just fix it. And and his elves are like his insurance company. That just
You would think they could get it working for one day a year.
Well, you can. I know you can get it for working for at least a day a year.
I like this on the Legos where they have the new sizing chart and you can like verify.
It isn't new.
Oh.
Why do you think it's new?
I like this feature. It's not new.
It's been around for a while though.
Yeah, it's very cool though.
It's actually pretty decent. Time to grab one of these. Yeah. I want you grab one. Perfect.
I believe this kit's rated 18 and up. Is that what it is?
What, this set?
Yeah.
Oh, it's 9+.
9+.
I'm 8.
He's 8 and he's doing it, and really all I'm doing is grabbing the pieces for him, which he could easily do. It's just some father-son bonding time.
Don't you dare talk about any more sponsors. Don't you dare. I like my posters.
Yeah, I gotta put the other one up.
Yeah,
I don't know where the other one
oh no. I just got another sponsor thing that you can say. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no, no, no,
Oh,
no, no.
Oh, okay. Good luck, bud. If you figure out what it is, I'll just scream pretty much at the top of my lungs into a pillow. Not anywhere else. Only into a pillow.
Where did your wheel go?
No, my wheel! I need to go vroom vroom.
How did we build the wheel and we lost? Oh, it's right here. We lost it joking about sponsors. You guys probably saw it the whole time. You're like, what are they doing?
Bump it up. Oh, good. Doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Time to go vroom vroom.
Uh-oh.
I just spun out. Dad, time to spin out. I spun out.
I think it goes the other way. I think this little hub's on the outside.
They're the same thing.
Oh. No, this one doesn't have the hub.
They're like this. They're the same on both sides.
No, see this gray part? It looks like the gray part is on the outside.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, no, not that.
It looks like you're on this side of the cart.
Yeah. Now, please turn it around, please. Yeah. Can you please turn it around?
I think it goes right here. Boom.
Well, let's spin out again. Ready? Wanna see, guys? If this video gets 10 likes, I will spin out this out.
We don't have 10 likes. You did it before.
I'm joking.
Evidently, we better get 10 likes because we already did it. Otherwise, we're going to go back to the future and undo this.
You must say 20 likes now.
You spun it out twice.
That's 20 likes. Let's see.
We're just giving away the goods.
30 likes.
We did a New Year's resolution
30
kind
likes.
of planning, and
40 likes.
Broham Lego's going for a play button.
50 likes.
We need 100,000 subscribers, so tell your family and your friends.
We need 50 likes.
All right, let's get it. We did our part. We did the spinning. You give the likes.
Okay, wait.
Build that part.
One. Yeah. Okay, 60 likes. 70 likes. 80 likes. 90 likes. 100 likes.
Oh, you keep that. I'm curious about something.
Okay. Do some curiosity check. Do. Ba-da-da-bum, ba-da-da-bum. Go. Okay. First order of business. Yeah. I need you to put a part. Father!
What part do I need?
I need you to put a part on. Check. Oh wait, never mind. We figured out what was wrong. Perfecto. I think that goes on there. I'm just gonna put that on there for a second. Okay, look. Look at this. Oh no. No.
Yeah, it goes on the outside.
What?
It goes on the other side.
What do you mean that it goes on the other side?
Oh.
What is it?
I guess it goes on that side. Okay. Well, maybe. Yeah, okay. I think this is right. Now you gotta enter. You're inserting one of the black pieces, I guess.
What the black piece is there? Oh, there's a black piece there.
And what does this hold on to? Maybe it's on the next page.
Just check.
Oh, I guess it's something back here. We need 2 of these.
No. Let's go back.
And 2 of these.
No, pause.
Oh.
If we look here, there's nothing there.
I know, I think it connects up here.
What? But like, look, it's supposed to connect like with that. Or, huh? 'Cause, wait, 1 second.
Oh, I think you have it right.
And then how does it connect?
I'm gonna show you. Just keep going. Next page.
Yeah, but there's supposed to be a piece
I
there.
don't think so.
There is. Oh,
No,
let's go back.
You used
Bam.
the one. There's only one. You already used it. I think that springs up and down.
What springs up and down?
This becomes like a shock that moves up and down. Look. We can always go back. I think these connect it.
Mm.
Oh, I missed
But
it.
I still see that piece there.
Oh, I missed a page here.
I still see a piece there.
Well, then this one's probably supposed to connect to that side. Just switch it around so it's connecting to this side. And these.
But why would it connect
I
to?
don't, listen, I'm not an expert here. I just think that's what it does. Or maybe you're connecting it now with this new black piece you got. No, you're not. I don't know, just keep going. Just follow, it must not.
I know I had it wrong. Is it connecting to this?
I don't know. Yeah, but see, this holds it in place now.
How do we just like... Look.
I think it gets tightened up here in a second with this piston. See with this one. On the top and the bottom.
How did it go? It's like...
Yeah, like that, and then the orange, no, other way.
No, it does this.
No, because the
this
orange
way.
gets pressed on. It's the other way.
No, I know what it... I know.
No, it's the other way.
How does... This part, it goes, it's right
Yeah,
behind
I
it.
know. Then you must have it on the wrong, I don't know. No, other way.
What do you mean other way?
Like this, so that the orange can press into it.
Well then, why is that there?
Well, okay, then this wheel's supposed to be on the outside. You built the wheel the wrong side. This is supposed to be on this outside.
Okay, this you fix.
Okay. I can't. There, now it's good. Wait, how did this go?
It's supposed to go
Okay,
like
let me see.
this.
Okay, hold on, let me see.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, you got the black one in the wrong spot.
That's one of someone's faults.
That's right. And then it's like this.
I'm gonna go get some water. I'll be back.
And then this goes like this. And then that pushes in. I believe we're locked in now. And now we go to this part, which is these pieces right here. And it looks like we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. I bet the track loops over this. We're going to take a brief pause here while we wait on Braham Lego to come back. Oh, he's already back. No need for the pause.
Boom, 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 boom. Oh no.
Come on, let's finish
I
this
thought it
bag
would
for
do
our fans.
sponsorship.
NASA? Or the United States?
NASA.
NASA. Mark Grover, we're NASA. We'll take a sponsorship. We have squirrels and rockets. What more could you want?
Rocket squirrels.
Oh, yeah. All right, let's go. I got your pieces set up here.
Exactly what he wants. Rocket squirrels.
I got your pieces set up here.
We are supposed to just have tracks.
You're on this one here.
Wait.
Yeah,
One sec.
I think you need the app first.
One sec, guys.
All right, I'm going to continue here for a little bit, guys, because he's getting distracted, and I'm afraid if I don't that... I don't understand. It says I need 2 of these, and it shows where one goes. But it doesn't show where the second one goes. Okay, there's that and that. But, oh, because there's one for each side. I would assume that's what that says. Is that what it says? Oh, there's a top one. Got it. Guys, I try to say I don't build a lot of Legos. This is usually Broham Legos thing.
And I force you to do it.
He does all the heavy lifting.
With the channel?
Just in general, you do all the heavy lifting about all this.
How do I do all the heavy lifting?
Because you pretty much do all the work on building these.
That is technically true. But very technically true.
But look at this, I'm getting my build on here. I don't know why he's not over here helping me, but...
I'm having a pizza fun.
Children, am I right? Am I right? Am I right?
Bentley!
Oh Alright, bro, I need you to come build this because I don't know what I'm doing.
So where are you?
I'm basically on that whole page.
First of all.
That doesn't go on there. No, it does. Okay.
Now,
No.
you can put it on.
Is it this way? Like go to this blue and this black, yeah.
Okay.
Over there. This is why I have the master Lego builder with me, Broham Lego.
It's in my name.
Otherwise,
Lego.
we'd be here for years.
You mean you?
Yeah,
You would be here for years.
that's accurate. Oh wait, I gotta put the piece on.
Oh wait. You'd also, Dad, you'd also be here for years if you were building the McLaren alone.
Oh, I can't wait to build them. Actually, my next one I'd like to do is finish the Infinity Gauntlet with the lights. There we go.
The next video we might be building the McLaren or the Bugatti.
But I'd still.
But Dad, do you want to know what the sponsor that I was thinking of a second ago was?
FNAF.
Financial Freddy's. How do you know?
Because I saw you looking at your poster and I thought, I don't think FNAF would sponsor us.
Meh.
FNAF, we're available, I guess, if you want to make a nightmare series at our house. And come take all of our stuff, including our lives. It's up to you, FNAF.
Well, I guess Micro Research rocket squirrels. No, that was just funny when I first said it.
Goodness. It's a real struggle, boss. It's real.
Don't care. Don't care. Don't care. Don't care. I'm gonna go get some more water.
Wow, look at this. We're really starting to come along. We're on bag 2. We've got a couple leftover pieces. I think we're going to call a cut there. Really appreciate you guys watching. Broham Lego has left us, but I know he appreciates it too. Hang loose. Thanks.